Okay, so here is another 2022 video for you guys. I know you guys liked the 992 video a lot, so I wanted to go ahead and make the 718 changes for model year 2022. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I have notes once again. This list isn't quite as long as it was for the 992, but we're going to go ahead and start off with the point of sale. Point of sale for all the 718 variants is going to be August 20th, so a little bit before the 992. Now, I know some of you are going to be asking, GT4RS, do I know anything about GT4RS? Not yet, but as soon as I do, I promise you guys I will be making a video about the GT4RS. Now, the pricing has changed on all the variants. So, standard 718 Cayman's Boxsters all the way to the GTS 4.0 has gone up by about $600. The T variants in both Boxster and Cayman have gone up by about $700. GT4 and Spyder have increased by about $1,000, and then the 25-year edition is about $1,500. We didn't have that for the previous year, as this is the anniversary of the Boxster, which I'm super excited about, as the car came out in the late 90s. I can't believe it's already been 25 years, but I'm very excited to see that car. Now, some changes are going to be the exterior colors. We now have Shark Blue, which was released with the GT3, and that's coming to all the 911s as well as the 718s, with the exception of the 25-year edition Boxster. Now, something that I think is interesting is we're also now going to have Frozen Berry Metallic as a color, which is getting transferred over from the Taycan. Now, this can only be a single-year offering, as they may not be having the Frozen Berry Metallic after model year 2022. So if you want that color, order it now. So be on the lookout for that. Night Blue Metallic, just as it was in the 911, is also being discontinued. So if you want that, last kind of month to order your 718 is going to be November. So order it before then. And then we have a awesome expansion of all the custom colors that now you can option your 718 with. So that has come back to the 718. So in the past, the entry and drive, you can use your hand to open up the front hood as well as the rear trunk. Those sensors are going away, which I'm not 100% sure why, but I'm pretty bummed about it, because that was a nice feature. You could just put your hand right in the front bumper and output would pop, but no longer. Entry and drive is just to be keyless start and for the handle. So that is an unfortunate change for model year 2022. Now, for the extended range fuel tank, you'll be able to get that as part of the 718s, but not if you option with a manual transmission, only with the PDK. So if you're configuring your car and you notice the extended range fuel tank, you can't click it when you're on. If you have a manual transmission, it's because it's not offered. Now, along with, there's new custom dialogues and pallets, which are going to be for the vehicle key painted in key pouch in leather, very similar to what we saw on the 992. Owner's manual wallet in leather. You can change the stitching and colors, which is pretty cool. And then we also have the personalized floor mats with leather edging, is also something that we will be able to see, that we also saw on the 992, but now on the 718 as well. And then from December 2021 and onwards, we'll be able to get the seatbelts in Shark Blue, as well as the wiring for the Porsche dash cam, which I'm really excited about. I haven't had a chance to see it yet, but when I do, I'll be, of course, posting a video about that new dash cam. Now, just some miscellaneous changes are the new wiper blades, just a different wiper blade for model year 2022, and then just some small stuff in the configurator. The center console trim in leather, it's not showing correctly, and the wheels in high gloss black are incorrect, as well as the race text on the GTS 4.0 model. So that pretty much wraps up all the changes we're going to see for 718. It's not near as long as it was for the 992. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys, all your guys' support. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Mark, this guy, I was trying not to get distracted.